Friends, we were among the very first to get our hands on the newly launched Realme 67 Turbo. Initially, when I noticed the box labeled with both Neo 7 and Turbo, I honestly wasn't intrigued. I thought to myself, is this merely another rehash? Mid-range smartphones often enjoy doing this. Wow, this is really cool. Let's get a bit closer and give everyone a close-up. Can you see it? I've made the back panel transparent. Inside you can see its wireless coil and a large yellow mark, and over here you can even see its subboard. How should I put it? It makes us tech enthusiasts drool. The color we have here is called transparent gray. Realme states that what you see through the back panel is almost a one-to-one representation of the phone's interior. Let me walk you through it. Let's take a closer look at the lower part of the body, the subboard section with the charging port and SIM card slot. Can you guess what this is? The middle section is undoubtedly its massive 7200 mAh battery. Can you all see it? Now moving to the motherboard section, the most attractive part is naturally the coil next to the NFC, and importantly this large green logo, which is a little Easter egg representing Realme's advancement in fast charging. Friends, take a moment to feel it again. I really think for tech enthusiasts. This is definitely a very surprising gift, and please note, the back panel curves slightly towards the middle frame, which I find very exquisite. However, it's a pity that the side is a continuous frame without breaks, due to this very cool back panel. The phone case that comes with it is also transparent. But don't rush to complain, okay? The phone case is only transparent on the back, showing off this stylish back panel. However, on the side, you will notice it possesses a somewhat frosted texture. Transitioning to the front of the phone, let's discuss the display. Everyone, considering it's a mid-range phone, how do you find the bezel control? We certainly can't claim it's excessively wide, even though it hasn't attained perfectly equal narrowness on all four sides. Right? Additionally, this is a 1.5K 140Hz screen, and it's the same BOE Q10 screen used in flagship models. I know you all don't want to hear boring specs, so let me show you something impressive. This phone can manually reach 1000 nits indoors, and when it comes to indoor manual brightness, it has never backed down. Besides providing a well-received screen on a mid-range phone, this phone has never compromised on its configuration. 9400E with 100W fast charging and a 7200 mAh battery. Let me give you the other parameters, folks. Look, it even comes with water resistance. The only minor drawback is the short focus fingerprint sensor. As for the system, just think of it as what, my friend? Color OS functions perfectly. Furthermore, it additionally incorporates Realme's distinctive air gesture AI portal and memory specifically designed for gaming. Taking all these factors into account, I would describe it in 5 words: robust, compact, and transparent. Ultimately, everything hinges on the pricing strategy. What are your thoughts after experiencing the launch of it?